in this video. Bitcoin is right now breaking out from the bear flag that we have been mentioning, but the question is this now going to continue to the 74,000 US dollars, or are we going to see a potential bounce? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, today it's already a very exciting move kasi right now we are now starting to see that Bitcoin bear flag breakout that we have been waiting for. But before that, let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis and what are we currently doing with our trades. So, diba sa previous video natin, what we have been monitoring was the number one. There are two things. Number one, it is the Bitcoin bear flag support, which is this area. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we have to wait out for a breakout before we enter into any new trades dito kay Bitcoin price action. And then, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we have to also wait out dito if mag-retest pa dito sa 200 moving average. Kasi as you can see, sa previous times na nag-touch sa 200 moving average, we have seen a rejection dito kay Bitcoin. And not only that, we also saw that dun sa previous movement, which is around this area wherein nung huling times na na-touch niya dito, nagkaroon tayo ng malakas na rejection dito kay Bitcoin after touching the 200 moving average. But as you can see right now, if you're going to look at the current charts, hindi tayo nag-touch dyan. So, hindi tayo nakapag-open ng panibagong trade dito at the 200 moving average. But rather, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we have to wait for a 4-hour time frame candle close, for a 4-hour time frame breakout dito below the support. Kasi wala tayong trade dyan, then ito ita-trade natin yung breakout dito. So, as you can see, if you're going to look at this, we finally saw a breakout dito. If you're going to look at the volume, you will find that we saw significant volume as well. So, that has been a confirmed breakout. So, di ba, nag-post ako sa Facebook page ko kahapon, sa Instagram, as well as sa Twitter or sa iba't ibang channels online. Kasi of course, na-post na yung video and hindi ko naman masasabi na nakapag-open na ako. But, nung nakapag-open na ako, nag-post kagad ako sa Facebook. At yun nga, I am already up 140% in profits nga. And I'm currently trading that kay Wix kasi of course, dun mas maganda mag short-term trade. And yun nga, if wala pa account with Wix, make sure to use my sign-up link, which you can find in the description down below. But, ayun, nag-open ako ng short position dito. I opened it at the 87,900 US dollars. And right now, I am currently in profits na nga dito with the Bitcoin price action. And ayun guys, if you don't want to miss yung mga biglaan trades ko, make sure na you follow my social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. Kasi of course, nagbibigay ako ng live updates doon, and meron din tayong group chat which is yung Messenger GC. So yeah, make sure to check out those links available namin sa description down below. But ayun, right now, I am currently in profits na nga dito sa trade na to, but what are the targets na ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action? And ano ba yung sinasabi ng mga iba't ibang indicators? So, di ba, on top of the analysis na sinabi natin, minention din natin kahapon na meron din nagpo-form na bearish stochastic RSI cross. So, that's why we have been bearish dito kay Bitcoin. And right now, as you can see, the stochastic RSI is not yet oversold. So, it could indicate na we might still see more pushes to the downside following this Bitcoin movement. And yun nga, wala pa tayong nakikitang any signs of bullish reversals dito sa daily time frame. So, within the next few days, this is going to indicate na we are still going to continue this downtrend. But if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, so 4-hour time frame, you can see na oversold na siya. So, I think it could somewhat form na dito ng somewhat ng konting bounce dito kay Bitcoin. Siguro around the 86,800 following this resistance line dito. So, it could be a good re-entry opportunity dito if you are going to open a short position kay Bitcoin. So once na mag-retest siya around the 86,800, then that could be a good entry price for a continuation nitong dump ni Bitcoin. Kasi of course, yung 4-hour time frame it can form multiple movements within a day. But of course, ang fina-follow natin dito ngayon is this daily time frame movement. But yun nga, this move na nakikita natin is this bear flag. And you will find na itong bear flag ngayon is now actually starting to form a support area which is around the 84,500 US dollars. And ayan o, 84,500 US dollars is now the next target support na nag-form ngayon dito. So right now, the next target dito kay Bitcoin is going to be the 84,500. This is actually a good take profit area if you are already in a short-term short position. However, baka ako hindi ako mag-take profit dyan. What I will do is I will wait for the 82,300 US dollars, which is around this area. Doon ako more likely mag-start mag-take profit dito kay Bitcoin. And after that, doon natin siya aabangan if mababreak ba natin yung 82,300, because this 82,300 is now showing us na yung magiging next target natin dito is going to be the 74,000 US dollars. And bakit ba natin nasabi na 74,000 US dollars? It is because 74,000 US dollars is actually the pole of this bear flag. So if you're going to plot this bear flag dito kay Bitcoin, you will find na ito yung pole, and yung magiging target itong bear flag is going to be the 74,000 US dollars. So around this area. And on top of that, if you are also going to zoom out dito kay Bitcoin, you will find that 74,000 is also a good area din kasi as you can see, if you're going to plot this, ito. If you're going to plot, saan ba yung magandang pang show ng support area? Hindi ko siya makita, pero ito, i-copy ko na lang. If you're going to plot this dating resistance area dito ni Bitcoin, this resistance area, you can find na around this time, we saw multiple resistance dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, this resistance is now going to act as a support area dito kay Bitcoin. And you will find that this area is actually going to be around the 70,000 to the 72 to 73,000. But ang target natin dito is 74. But yun nga, support area na ngayon is going to be the 70 to 72,000 once we break the 82,300. So right now, we will take things one step at a time. So for now, target muna natin is the 84,500 and then 82,300. Then after that, saka natin aabangan if magko-continue ba to the downside. So once na mag-continue siya to the downside, then 74,000 yung target natin. And with regards to my setup dito, naka-short position ako dito guys, 'di ba? So right now, ang stop loss ko is currently playing around the 89,000 US dollars, around this area. And then yung next take profit area ko is around the 82,300. Pero once na ma-hit natin yung 82,300, I will adjust my stop loss into trail stop. Siguro around the 86,200 US dollars. Para if ever na let's say this has been a fake out, at least nakapag-take tayo ng partial profit dito kay Bitcoin. At if ever na ma-hit yung trail stop, in profits pa din siya kasi yung entry price natin is actually way below naman na dito. Way above naman dito. So, ayan, either way, kahit ano mangyari dito, profits tayo if ma-hit na natin yung 82,300. So, yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon sa short-term trades, and yun yung pinakang update natin dito with the Bitcoin price action. With regards to the long-term price action or yung long-term trade, so 'di ba? As you recall, para lang sa mga hindi nakaalam or hindi nakaalala, yung short position ko, I opened a short position at the 114,000 US dollars. And then after that, I opened another at 107. I opened again at the 100K. And then now, nag-open ako ng panibagong short position at around the 93 or 94,000 US dollars. So, right now, yung average entry price ko is around the 99,000 US dollars. So, right now, hindi pa rin ako magte-take profit dun sa long-term short position ko na yan. And I will just let that play out lang and let it continue lang dito kay Bitcoin. And if you are now hoping to enter into a long-term short position, I think this is actually one of the good time na din. It's not the best time kasi typically the best time is going to be a dead cat bounce if mahit yung 200 moving average dito in the daily time frame. So yun yung pinakang best na na long-term short position. But when it comes to another good short position, right now, it's also a good time. It's just that hindi siya yung pinakang-best. So, right now, it's a good entry for a long-term short position dito. Low leverage lang, targeting the 74,000 US dollars. And right now, we are going to reassess once na mahit yung 74,000. Hindi pa ako magte-take ng profit dyan. But, ayun guys, if let's say this is going to be a fake out, if lalo siyang umakyat dito, let's say bumalik siya around the 100k, hindi ko i-close yung short position ko dyan guys. Rather, what I am going to do is I am going to add more to my long-term short position. So, magdadagdag ako ng short position ko if umakyat dito si Bitcoin. But, right now, since it's going to be less likely na at mukhang dadiretso tayo dito, much lower dito with the Bitcoin price action, I will continue my long-term short position on the way to the 74,000 US dollars. And then guys, if you want to learn itong mga iba't ibang analysis na ginagamit ko, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. Itong lahat ng mga ginagamit ko dito, nasa tutorials yan sa playlist ko. And you can find that guys in the description down below. And I'll be trading yung short-term trades ko kay Wix and long-term kay Bybit. So make sure na you have an account there and use my sign-up links if you want to claim bonus with those platforms. So yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.